Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an oil-free, sugar-free and gluten-free crispy seed crackers, ideal as a healthy snack any time of the day. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons chia seeds and I'm dry grinding the chia seeds. The chia seeds are nicely ground. I'm adding it into a large bowl. 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain. I'm adding the ajwain onto my hand and I'm crushing and adding in so that the flavors are released. 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half cup sunflower seeds, half cup pumpkin seeds, half cup sesame seeds, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 2 pinches of fennel seeds, also known as saunf. With a spoon, give this all a good mix. Half cup water, give it a mix. The ground chia seeds will form like a gel to hold all the ingredients together. Once nicely mixed, allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes now and we can see that it has thickened and it is ready to transfer to the baking tray. At this moment, I'm preheating my oven to 150 degrees Celsius. I have lined a baking tray with parchment paper and I'm transferring the cracker mix onto the baking tray. Just dip the spatula in water and then spread the mix evenly into a thin layer. To level it even further, I'm placing another parchment paper on top. With another baking tray, I'm simply pressing down. This will help to evenly spread out. And once it is spread out, remove the baking pan, remove the parchment paper. With a wet spatula, I'm also leveling the sides. Okay, now the sides are now leveled. I'm going to bake in my preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Halfway through, that is after 15 minutes, I'll remove it from the oven and make small indentations on the crackers so that it is easy for me to slice the crackers once they are baked. Now this is going into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. It's 15 minutes and I took it out of the oven. With a pizza cutter, I'm making small cuts onto the cracker so that it will be easy for me to slice the crackers once it is completely baked. And I'm going to transfer it back into the oven and bake for another 15 minutes. 35 minutes later, the crackers are nicely baked. I'm going to allow it to cool down on the pan itself for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now and let's check on the crackers. You can see how perfectly it has come out. The crackers are crispy and perfectly baked. You can enjoy these seed crackers with peanut butter, cream cheese, or you can enjoy it as a snack on its own. These seed crackers will stay good at room temperature for up to a month if kept in an airtight glass container. So guys, do try these healthy seed crackers and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.